Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Palworld 1.0 crashing error, and the error is a process has crashed UEPAL unhandled exception access violation error. So if you're getting this error in Palworld 1.0 game on your PC, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first fix is to select play Palworld DirectX 12. So when you click on play button on Steam, then here you will see the option play Palworld and play Palworld DirectX 12. So select the second option DirectX 12 and then click on play button and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Palworld. This is just an example, and then click on properties. And in the launch options type -dx11 first, close the tab, launch the Palworld game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Palworld game properties and this time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the Palworld properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and then open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers tab and here click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users can update the graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Palworld game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 5, run the game from game installation folder, run game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder, go to C try program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the Palworld game folder. First double click this Palworld exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on Palworld exe file and then select run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. If that doesn't work, then open the Pal folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now first double click this Palworld Win64 shipping exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6, install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open the graphics settings. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Palworld game folder, open Pal folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select Palworld Win64 cping.exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it, click on the drop down next to GPU preference and then select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install DirectX end user runtime web installer. So go to this Microsoft website. Again, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, here we'll see DirectX end user runtime web installer. Click on download. Then run this dxwebsetup.exe file and install it. And after installing it, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall Palworld game from your PC and then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Palworld 1.0. A process has crashed UE PAL error or unhandled exception access violation error in Palworld game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.